So delicious. Take a bite. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning I will be preparing for you breakfast, pancake breakfast. So I have pancake mix. This one says to add water and eggs. So I have my egg here, and I'm gonna be doing it with some sausage. Right, so let's get started. Rocky. I'm gonna ask for you then the mix. So I'm just going to use roughly 3 tablespoons of the mix. You can do a cup, whatever it is. So, and I'm going to add my egg. Guys, when you're doing eggs, you don't crack it into your entire mixture, just in case it is not good. Alright, and I'm gonna remove the egg. Sometimes tend to make the egg a bit raw. Yeah, so I'm moving it. Right, and then I'm gonna add it to the mixture. At this time, you could add raisin, anything you like in your pancake, you can add it. All right, I have some dried cranberry and I'm going to add them to mine. All right, so as I said before, this one is just to add water and egg. You have some of them that you don't need to add any egg, you just use the water and egg. All right, here I'm gonna add my water and whip. I believe this consistency is the perfect one, right? I believe so. So I'm gonna start making my pancake. Guys, it's back to school, so you want something easy for the kids to go out. So this is a good breakfast idea. It's on the fire, so I'm gonna add my, I'm not going to use any oil, I'm gonna use butter. Alright, I have this butter, so I'm gonna use this to make my pancakes. If you have the non-stick frying pan, that's the best one to use. Alright, I'm just waiting on the pot to hot. Just add the butter to the frying pan, but you know all pancakes like to take in a lot of oil, so I'm just gonna use a little at a time. Turn on this stove a bit, don't want it so high. And guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna drop my pancake. That's one. Let's not put any more in there as yet. That's the this one can be removed, guys. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna add the next one now. Alright, next one is in. Clean up these mess. I hate to see mess when I'm in the kitchen, so I'm gonna always clean. Right. So I'm going to make this now. As I said before, until you see the bubbles, a lot of bubbles on top, you know you can flip your pancake. Alright? Alright. We're getting there. Guys, now it's time to flip. Get closer to me. Wow. See that? Just flipped. Alrighty. Pancake is coming along. Turn on the fire. Ensure that you're doing a pancake on a low flame. Alright? Because we don't want it to get burned. Okay, so I have some more to go, so I'm gonna add a little more water. All the pancakes have in some cranberry. That's supposed to taste lovely, nice, guys. Yes. It's not ready to flip it, guys. It's not ready to flip. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my eggs ready. So I'm doing scrambled eggs. With the sausage. Time to flip, guys. It's time to flip. Alright. So now I'm going to add a little black pepper to the egg. Pinch of salt. You know you have to put a little salt in your eggs, right? And I'm going to this, guys. It's good. You can add it to your egg. All right. It's good morning breakfast seasoning. Yes, you can add it to your eggs. Okay. It's time to remove my the final one. This is gonna be small. Final one, guys. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut sausage that I'm gonna use. It's time to turn my final pancake way, and it looks like it's the best one. Best. And sometimes when you're on your final part of the cooking is when all your stuff turn out good. Talk truth. Yeah, man. All done now, guys. All done. So I'm gonna get my feel like ready for the egg, so I'm gonna remove these things from it. Alright, we're back. So I'm gonna add some oil to the pan. Turn it up a bit. Yes, it's up. I'm gonna add my sausage. My egg is now in the pot. You could also add some cheese to this, guys. So I'm gonna add my. You can also add cheese to it. And here I'm adding some syrup, and the butter is already heated and on top, melting. There you have it, guys. Yes, all done. Breakfast is now served. Let's get the fork and dive right in. Okay, guys. It's now time to eat. Let's see. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. When you cut the pancake, guys, the cranberry is sitting right there inside the. So delicious. Take a bite. So guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this good, nice breakfast item. Your children will love it. It's back to school time, so whip up those pancakes. They can have it for lunch or breakfast. Alright, so until next time, see you in my next video. Bye. Have this with your tea or orange juice or any juice you prefer. It's all done and ready. Alright, look at it.